Hey everybody, Matthew Cole with West Shore Mortgage in Sacramento. 2022 loan limits are out. Let's talk. All right, so Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they're the two main investors who run the mortgage industry. They, every year, like clockwork, November into November, release their 2022 loan limit increase. You probably saw a ton of lenders that were saying new loan limits are increased, blah, blah, blah. Really, that's not true. What you saw there was lenders who were issuing a lower loan limit initially, knowing that the new loan limits were coming. These lenders are tight with Fannie and Freddie, so they knew where it was going, 640 something range, what they were thinking. So a lot of people released the 625, including ourselves, loan limits early. I just didn't make a big deal about it because I didn't want to set somebody up who maybe needed to go up to those 640 amounts and stick them to a 625. So as of today, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac are allowing up to $647,000 for a regular conventional loan. That is the biggest increase in history that I've ever seen on these loan limits. So to give it an example, the 2021 loan limit was $548,200. So this one increased to $647,000, so massive increase there. And then we also have what's called a high balance conventional, which is basically a conventional loan, just slightly different in regards to some terms for refinances and down payment for purchases. But what you get there is that actually goes up to $675 and some change. So where that really helps you as a consumer or even a real estate agent is jumbo. Jumbo mortgage loans are the toughest to qualify for, even though you as a consumer have spent your whole life building great credit, having a good job, huge money down, all of the positives. You're still gonna get looked at harder than somebody that's buying a $600,000 mortgage with FHA and a 600 credit score. Don't ask me why, blows my mind. But now as a consumer, if you're trying to get into a conventional loan or even a high balance conventional loan, where in the Sacramento area, which where we're all from, is gonna go up to $675, that's gonna be huge for you to stay out of that jumbo loan limit and be able to buy a $700,000 house with 5% down. Payment's gonna be high, but it's 5%, so it gets you into that house. In the Bay, that number went skyrocket almost to $1 million. So if you have any Bay people, let me know, because now that limit is really high. So if you have any questions about whether you qualify for a conventional loan, or just in general, if you want to take some cash out now, or your house is even higher and your max loan limit was stuck at $598, now you can go up to higher loan limits. You can go up to $675 and do a regular conventional loan and not have to do all the headache and jump through hoops of a jumbo loan. So if you have any questions, hit me up below. Would love to go over the new loan limits and how that can benefit you for 2022.